Be honest, how many times have you opened a chat with ChatGPT, stared at the screen, and thought, what do I even say?
Oh, yes. You type hello and then panic. Like, wait, do I need to sound polite, formal, casual?
Or you ask a question and get a long answer, and you're like, well, okay, but how do I make this a conversation?
Exactly. Everyone knows ChatGPT can help with English, but not everyone knows how to talk to it naturally.
Right. Some people treat it like a dictionary, others like a teacher. But here's the truth. If you learn to use it like a real conversation partner, it can transform your English.
That's today's mission. We're showing you how to practice English conversation with ChatGPT, the fun, realistic, and smart way.
We'll walk through how to build flow, natural rhythm, confidence, and even humor with your AI chat buddy.
So grab your headphones, open your chat window, and get ready to actually talk in English.
Welcome to the English Level Up Podcast, episode 27. I'm Tom, your English language partner who's probably had more conversations with ChatGPT than with actual humans this week.
Sad but relatable. Let's get into it. Practice English conversation with ChatGPT.
Okay, Tom, let's start with the basics. Why should learners use ChatGPT to practice speaking or conversation? Simple, because ChatGPT never gets tired, never judges, and always answers in English.
True. And it's available 24/7, even at 2 a.m. when your brain decides to study.
Exactly. Plus, you can choose any topic. Want to talk about pizza toppings, movies, or deep philosophy? ChatGPT's got you.
It's like having an English friend who knows everything, but is super patient.
And that's key, because the biggest fear for learners is embarrassment. ChatGPT removes that.
You can make mistakes, repeat words, even talk nonsense, and it'll still reply kindly.
Yeah, no eye rolls, no awkward silence, just, sure, let's try again.
It's also a great tool for shy learners who want to warm up before speaking with real people.
Totally. Think of ChatGPT as your training ground. You practice here, then bring that confidence into real life.
Exactly, the safe zone of English conversation.
But I know what some people are thinking. Yeah, but it's not a real human.
True, but that can actually be a good thing.
How so?
Because AI doesn't get impatient. You can ask the same question 10 times and it won't sigh or say, "We already talked about that."
Oh, that's true. And you can literally say, correct me if I make grammar mistakes, or explain like I'm 5.
Exactly. You control the learning environment. You can turn it into a teacher, a friend, or even a role play partner.
Role play is the best part, honestly.
Yes, you can pretend to be at a restaurant, a job interview, a travel situation.
Or even a time traveler talking to Shakespeare.
Why not? The creativity makes learning fun, and fun makes it stick.
There's a famous saying, the best practice is the one you actually do. ChatGPT makes practice easy and addictive.
Perfectly said.
So let's get practical. How should learners start a conversation with ChatGPT for English practice?
Step 1, choose your goal. Do you want to improve fluency, vocabulary, confidence?
Good point. If your goal is fluency, just chat naturally. Ask questions, tell stories, describe your day.
For vocabulary, you can say, teach me 10 phrases for daily conversation, and then use them in context.
Or, let's practice small talk about travel.
Right. And step 2, use prompts that invite conversation, not essays.
Yeah. Don't just ask, what's confidence? Ask, hey, ChatGPT, how can I sound more confident when speaking English?
That's gold, because now you get a dialogue.
Exactly. Step 3, add personality. Treat it like a real person. Say things like, oh, really? Or, that's interesting.
It helps you practice natural responses.
You can even tell jokes or stories, and it'll reply like a friend.
Step 4, ask for corrections in real time.
Like, please correct my mistakes, but don't stop the conversation.
That's such a great way to learn. You get corrected without losing flow.
And step 5, switch roles.
Oh yes, be the waiter, the teacher, or even ChatGPT itself.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT 2.0. How can I assist you today?
Exactly. That kind of role play forces your brain to think fast in English.
Step 6, try challenge mode.
Challenge mode?
Yeah, give ChatGPT a theme like, let's only use idioms, or speak like a pirate.
Our matey fancy some grammar practice?
See? It's hilarious, and it makes you want to keep speaking.
Humor and emotion help your memory. You'll remember that pirate conversation forever.
And lastly, step 7, reflect after each chat.
I love that. Just write down one new phrase you learned and one mistake you fixed.
That small reflection multiplies your learning.
Exactly. Practicing is good. Practicing consciously is great.
Okay, Lisa, we've talked about the fun side, but what mistakes do learners make when practicing with ChatGPT?
Oh, I have a list.
I knew it.
Mistake 1, treating ChatGPT like Google.
Yes, asking for translations or definitions only. That's not conversation.
Instead, respond to what it says. Keep the chat going.
Mistake 2, copy-pasting long texts for correction without reading the feedback.
Exactly. You learn by interacting, not just receiving corrections.
Mistake 3, being too formal.
Yes, it's not an exam. You can say, hey, cool, oh really? That's how real English flows.
Mistake 4, fear of making mistakes even with AI.
Come on, it's literally built to help you learn.
Mistake 5, never asking for explanations.
Right. If ChatGPT corrects you, ask, why is this better?
That turns correction into education.
Mistake 6, stopping too early.
Oh yeah, people chat once, then disappear for a month.
Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes every day, greater than 1 hour once a month.
Totally agree. Mistake 7, no emotion.
Ah, yes. They just type plain sentences. I am fine. Today is sunny.
Add feelings. I'm great. The weather's amazing, and I feel awesome.
That's real communication.
So how can they level up after mastering the basics?
Easy. Combine ChatGPT with real life.
Meaning?
Talk about real things, your work, your family, your dreams, not fake textbook situations.
That's when your English becomes part of you.
And remember, confidence grows when you use what you learn.
Speak, make mistakes, laugh, repeat.
And never forget, it's not about impressing the AI. It's about impressing yourself.
Beautifully said. Time for our key expressions of the day.
1, training ground. A safe place to practice something.
ChatGPT is my English training ground.
2, role play. Acting out a situation.
Let's role play a restaurant scene.
3, challenge mode. Doing something harder for fun.
4, small reflection. A short review after practice.
5, accountability partner. Someone who helps you stay consistent.
6, safe zone. A space without judgment.
7, copy pasting. Duplicating text without engagement.
8, level up. To improve or advance.
9, flow. Natural, smooth speech rhythm.
10, stick. When learning stays in your memory.
Fun learning sticks better.
Perfect. These 10 expressions will help you describe your learning experience in real life.
And remember, ChatGPT isn't replacing people, it's preparing you for them.
Exactly. It's your daily language gym.
The more you use it, the more fluent and fearless you'll become.
So, if you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and download the free practice prompts from today's show.
Use them to start your daily ChatGPT conversations. Just 10 minutes a day for 3 to 6 months, and your English will transform.
We've seen it happen hundreds of times.
So keep chatting, keep learning,
and keep leveling up your English.